Good day, class! Welcome to our channel. We're here to help you to solve math easily. Don't forget to click the subscription button and the notification bell for more updates. By the way, I will be your teacher for this fourth week of second quarter. I am Teacher Lordeo, or call me Teacher LD for short. This time we learn about zero exponents. Here is the learning competency. Applies the laws involving positive integral exponents to zero exponents. So before we start, let's play a game. The mechanics of the game is like this. I will ask a question first, then you give me the answer. Okay? You got it? Let's play. Number 1. What is 24 times 0? 0. Correct. Number 2. 1/2 times 0 is equal to? 0. Very good. Number 3. Negative 34 times 0. 0. You're right. Number 4. The quantity of 23 times the quantity of negative 4 times the quantity of 0 is equal to? If your answer is 0, you're right. Number 5. What is 8 raised to 0? 0? Are you sure? Let's find out why 0 is not the answer. So when we talk about zero exponents, it explains from the rule a raised to m over a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n. And take note of this, that a should not be equal to 0, and m should be greater than n. If we want to hold even when m is equal to n, then we will have a new equation, which is a raised to m over a raised to m, which is equal to a raised to m minus m, and that is a raised to 0. Again, a should not be equal to 0. Very good. So it is clear that a raised to m over a raised to m is equal to 1. Therefore, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Remember, a should not be equal to 0. Perfect. So, let's restudy our previous answer from our previous activity. Okay? Remember this? 8 raised to 0, and your answer was 0. Now I believe you can give me the correct answer for this. Now, what is 8 raised to 0? Sounds like you're very sure. Yes, the answer is 1. Very good. Well, I guess it's time to practice what you've learned. What is 3 raised to 0? 1. Good. Number 2. What is x raised to 0? 1. Correct. Number 3. The quantity of xy raised to 0. If your answer is 1, and you are correct. 4. 3x raised to 0. This time we will be solving x first. So x raised to 0 is equal to 1. So we have now 3 times the quantity of 1, and that is equal to 3. Perfect. So that ends our lesson for today. No worries, because we will be discussing our next lesson, negative exponents. But before we end, my presentation, I would like to leave you this message according to Peter Steele. According to him, he said, every time we create something new, we go from 0 to 1. Again, thank you so much for listening. Again, my name is Lord Deo Mangawang, your lecturer for today. And here are the grade 9 team. We have Rome Therese Padilla, Jonathan Campilla, Edgar Soriano, Raquel San Juan, Manolo Daos, and Dina Jose. See you again on our next lesson. Goodbye!